for 3D printer.
Yes.
This is the plug. Yes, we have different types.
Yes,
EU,
different,
UK, also Chinese type. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can see.
US, EU, AU. This is the cable, plate cable on the printer. Yes. So this design is very simple and tidy. You see, when you install the printer, okay, this side, so the material is okay, resin, okay, okay, not easy to break. Whoa. Okay.
Friend, only 50% discount when during our living show. Just place your order, and we have faster delivery within 3 days. Then 3 days it comes to your room for the 3D printer.
Yes.
You can design the more toys for your kids.
Yes, nowadays we can ship the machine to you very fast by sea freight or by air freight and DHL FedEx and
Yeah.
UPS TNT. Anyways, the delivery man will send the machine to the home. You just need to make an order and pay. Do not forget to pay, okay?
Yeah. This is the laser
Engraving
machine.
printer. Okay, engraving printer. 这些都是半成品嘛。看来，Yeah, our engineer. Okay, come here.
Come here, don't be shy. Hi.
Yes, our engineer also is a handsome designer. A young man. He is some shy.
Yeah. Shy little boy.
这是什么？过来嘛。小哥过来。过来，你介绍一下，没事的。Yes. Hi, say hi to our friends. This machine is our engineer designed this one.
这是我调色机，然后现在因为
This is the engraving printer.
对，
The cable, we have special design for
这
this
是我们
cable.
开始，
Yes, this is an unfinished printer.
然后有一些的话就是一些瑕疵的话，我们后面会处理好。
Yes, any unperfect part, we will modify it before make it finished.
Yeah. 100% test before delivery.
Yeah. 然后这种是
这种这个就是它的那个线材包裹那个线材。
Hello, my friend. Do you have any questions
Yes, this
about our
practice
product?
protect the cables, okay? And this whole design is simple and perfect. It's easy to operate.
核心和那个
Yes, making 什么
铝合金，铝合金。
aluminum alloy.
Yeah. Alloy.
Alloy, alloy, aluminum, 还有亚克力哈。
啊对，还有
And acrylic, the material is harder, so the
轻便。
and it's not so heavy. It's light. It's light. Okay, it's easy to carry. 就很容易携带啊。
对，
它是
可以在任何地方去雕刻一下。
Okay, you can engraving anything in any place you want. So it's easy to carry and the work is easier. 是有一个那个，yes, 你可以电脑，yes, we only accept the computer and you can print the keyboard.
Hello, my friend. Do you have any questions about our product? We have 50% discount waiting for you.
Only today, only this moment.
Only 45 minutes left. Just hurry up, okay?
So do not miss this discount, friends.
Catch the chance. Okay.
Yes.
好热啊！
Only $150. This is magnetic plate.
Plate. Yes.
This
It's
material
very
is
good
very
quality. Yes,
Uh-huh.
and easy to clean.
When modules make here, the smart spray the head touch here, it's not easy to blow it. Okay. And after you make this machine, these modules, and it's easy to clean.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the module is very easy to take.
Yes, we also offer this magnetic plate.
Yes, also black one.
Now we 只有黑色的哈。Yeah, now we only have black color. Okay. 30 cm, 30 cm.
Yes, yes.
哦，这个是我们的半成品。
Okay, this is on the top of the printer. Also, this is the 这是什么？主板。
这是那个电机的充电器。
哦，好，charging，充电器。
Yes.
是的，然后下面这些就是我们的半成品。
This is some unfinished just for the printers.
Hi friends, thank you so many about our product. Do you have any questions?
Yes, our photographer David to show you this material. You can see is made in metal, yes, aluminum alloy.
Yes, this is special design to make it more stable.
Yeah, you can see the cutter. Okay. Other printers they make practice. Our printer made in metals, so the print is much better. This is one of our strong points.
Yes, welcome to our living room. Welcome to our living show, my friend. Welcome. Do you like our 3D printer or our laser engraving machine?
This is the nose head. Okay. Our worker is install this nozzle hole. Nozzle head.
Yeah, not a hand.
所以它是在这里面融化的吗？
对不对？
Yes, the PLA line into here and then be melted by the high temperature into the liquid. Then from here, 从这次来这种this is a spray mouth. Spray mouth. Yeah, from here is liquid, and to make this module. Okay, so this machine, this box is made in metal. 这也是金属的哦。So, the line along the feeder machine. Okay, this is a fence to cool this machine.
Yes,
The fence.
we have high distillation for the heat.
This is the box for
Aluminum box.
yes, all made in metal. Okay.
It's very stable.
This is the motherboard for the whole machine. Okay, this is
Yeah.
the most important part.
Yes, for the
All the
3D
data.
printer.
Yes, all the data inside this board, I think. Yeah.
So many components. on the
Okay,
PCB
I'll
board.
be so confused. I'm not good at this board.
Yeah,
Okay.
only our engineer.
Yes,
know.
all my knowledge I return to my teachers.
Hi, my friend. Do you have any questions? Don't forget to follow up our store, and we have special discount.
Yes.
50% discount waiting for you and
Yes.
free samples.